Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover the swept cut. So swept cut is pretty similar with the regular cut, but there are some extra options available which I'm gonna show you here. So as I have an example part here and I have different sketches as well, so we are gonna go into the swept cut and let's see how it works. Okay, so for that I have sketch 2 and then I'm gonna go into the features, and into the ribbon section you can see there is an option swept cut. So I'm gonna go into the swept cut and you can see sketch 2 is already showing here because before opening this tool we had selected the sketch 2, and the next thing which you need to choose is the path. And then suppose I want to choose this for the whole body, so I'm just gonna select this solid brush. So in this way we can select the whole body and then we are going to apply this sketch on the whole body. So I'm gonna click the green check mark. So look, in this way I can have a routed edge throughout the whole solid of this brush. So look, I have some other sketches like sketch 7, which is the sketch profile, and sketch 6 is the path. Suppose I'm gonna go and I'm gonna apply the sketch 7 on my body, and I'm gonna go into the features and then swept cut. Okay, so sketch 7 is here and then I need to choose the path. So in this way I can just apply the swept cut throughout of my body. So this is one option because I already have a profile. But if I don't have a profile, I can just go into the circular profile and then I can choose the path. But having a circular profile, the benefit is like later you can just modify the sketch and then you can modify the swept cut as well. This is my swept profile and then I need to select the path. So I'm gonna select this, and sketch 6 is my path of the swept cut. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you. Okay, I am satisfied with it, and there are some other options like you can see there is a guide curves, and there are some other options like you can have some twists or whatever you want. I'm not gonna use this in this example, so I'm just gonna click the green check mark. So in this way you can see we have applied the swept cut throughout this solid. Maybe you are not gonna see very clearly, so what we can do is we can just go into the cross-sectional view and we can go into the top plane, and then you can see how we have just applied the swept cut into this body. Okay, so there is another option which I would like to show you. Like as you can see, there is a solid cylinder as well. So let's see if we want to have a swept cut by using this solid cylinder. So what we can do is we can just select this solid cylinder and then we can go into the swept cut, and then this time because we already select the solid, so we are in the solid profile right now. And the second thing is you need to choose the path. So I'm just gonna select this path, and then after the selecting the path I'm just gonna click the green check mark. So you can see it looks like a curve. So this is a pretty nice example if you want to design something for the CNC machine, so you can really apply these sketches in CNC machine. So you should definitely take a look into the solid swept. So this is one of the coolest thing you can do by using the swept profiles. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.